Hey there, welcome back, lattes. This video's for cappuccino. Like, where do I want to put it? Cappuccino. I just wanted to do a quick video on pullbacks. Okay, discussing what a pullback is, what it means for you as a trader, how to keep that positive mindset when you see a trade that you were pretty sure was a bullish trade, a buy trade, going that direction. You were nice in the blue, then you look, now you're red, now you're a little more red, and now it's turned around, now you're blue again. Like, what is going on? So let's talk about that. There are pullbacks that occur in the market when there's a shift in orders, when there's a shift in news. But one particular time that I have learned of, and other than the news that might impact your trade, is that 20 minutes before the hour candle is populated is when you will most likely see some type of a pullback. Could be pretty hefty in your mind, or could be minor, but a trade again that was positive might turn negative, and you're gonna go, what is going on, what happened? Just take a breath. And this is what I do. Excuse me. I like immediately glance at the clock, and if it's any time past 40 minutes to the hour, if it's quarter to, 10 to, 8 minutes of before the hour turns over, I know it's just a pullback, and I almost laugh like pullback, just a pullback. And once that new hour candle starts and it starts to breathe a little bit, give it a few minutes, and then you should see your trade continue on its way. And we can go take a look at that. But again, you have to keep that mindset of, I know I did my analysis correctly. I followed the latte strategy. Cindy says be patient. So let's go take a look at the charts really quick. Okay, so I just jumped on a UJ chart. Ignore this yellow trend line that is on another screen that I can't get rid of at this moment, but this is what I mean. So if you know that a trade is going in a certain direction, and then you see a long wick is thrown, and then it pulled back up, you're thinking, creepy, like what just happened? So this candle opened at, again, I'm looking up here, newbies, over open. It opened at 776. It shot a wick down all the way down. It will tell you the low down to 294, which if we measure it, I believe I know what that is. But if it opened here and it was dropping and it came all the way down to here, all the way down to here. Oh, okay, that's approximately 48 pips it shot down. And then it came back up. And then it came back up this distance right here. So this is where you might go, what's happening? Why is this happening? You've got this whole ride right here. It shot down. You're like, well, I did Cindy's analysis and it looked like it was going to be a sell. I'm not sure what happened. Okay. There's something in the news or some influx of orders made this come back up. Okay. And it came up whatever amount of pips this is. I don't really want to pull out another 20 pips. Okay. It came up this distance again. And we were patient and we held, say, our take profit might have been this trend line, might have been to right here. And see if there's a quarter theory mark. I would say probably that 20. Yeah, 146.20 looked like it would have been a good take profit. So, oh, wow. I love it. I wasn't even looking at something, and then when I saw it, so I'm going to identify it for you. I was actually looking at right here. I was looking at the base of this candle, just sporadically telling you that this looks like a good place where we could have taken profit. And the minute I said that, I looked over and look where this next, if we were patient, okay, this 2 hours later, look where this wick was thrown, right directly to, I'm just gonna get there with an arrow, my friends, right directly to that spot. Oh, that's not what I want. Hold on, patience, please. Right directly to that take profit line right there. So you have to be patient, and say you knew that that was where you wanted to get out at for a sell at 146.20. You had to be patient. Came back up. You know it's still going down there because you did your analysis using my strategy. You know. 2 hours later, you're at a dental appointment, you're picking up the kids from school, you're like, I'm not sure I want to look at that trade. Or you're like, you know what? I trust my analysis. Let me see where that trade is. And boom, you would have hit take profit. So I just want to tell you that you can see on each of these candles, there is some sort of wick thrown and then pull back again. Okay, this candle, let's try this one. This candle, again, I'm looking at the open, high, low, and close. This candle, this buy candle, opened at 146.79 through a big wick, okay, up to 774 and came back down a bit. But if we were patient, look what happened. I don't know what this was. Early in the morning, my time. So not a lot going on, kind of a shift in the markets here, which is indicative of this wick going, oh, we don't know, changing of the guard, we'll call it, between the Asia market and starting to be back to the US market. Okay, but look, if we held our trades and we held our analysis, boom, that's another quarter theory. That would be another take profit. So you can see if we just waited, boom, boom, you're feeding the kids breakfast, getting them out the door, dropping them off to school, you come check your trades. When you walk in the door, go, phew, and your trade hits. Yeah. So mindful of those pullbacks, do not panic, trust your analysis, trust the strategy that you're learning, and we will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.